Good day, everyone. Welcome to our physics review session. Our topic this time is about Newton's law of motion and momentum. So we have here a diagram with two trolleys. One is B and one is A. Now let's read the question. A student sets up the apparatus as shown to verify the law of conservation of momentum. Trolley A of mass 4 kg move with constant speed along an inclined plane. It is connected to a ticker tape timer which makes 50 ticks per second. The ticker tape shows the dots caused by the movement of trolley P. So you would see there a scale which is represented, each line represents 2 millimeter division. The first question is calculate the speed of the trolley. You know, when you solve for the speed, you will use the formula distance over the time. But we need to identify the values for distance and the values for time in here. And it states in here, it's 50 ticks per second. That is the frequency of the trolley. Oh no, sorry, the ticker tape timer. So this is frequency, so therefore to solve for the period is the frequency is 50 ticks per second. So we need to find the period. That's 1 over f. That would be 1 over 50. So 1 over 50, that would be equal to 0.02 seconds. Okay. So our period, or the time it takes to form 1 tick, is equal to 0.02 seconds. So let's deal first with the distance. So let's solve for the distance here. The distance, it starts with this first dot and ends with the last dot. So we need to count the number of lines. I'll zoom this so you would be able to see it clearly. You count 1, so you don't start here, you start here. So that would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29. So there are 29 lines, and each line is a 2 millimeter division. Okay. So that would be 29 times 2, that would be 58. So you will write here 29 lines times 2 millimeter. It gives you 58 millimeter. Okay. And the time here is, we have 1 tick, 2 tick, and 3 ticks. So that would be 3 ticks multiplied by 0.02 seconds per tick. Okay, so each tick here, this is 1 tick, is formed in 0.02 seconds. So you just need to multiply the 3 ticks by 0.02. So 0.02 times 3, you get 0.06. 0.06 seconds. So this is millimeter. Okay. Now, since the question is about momentum utilizes a unit which is kilogram meter per second. So this is kilogram meter per second. So meant to say that you are going to convert 58 millimeters to meters, and that's, you need to divide it by 1000. You divide it 1000, and that would give you 58 divided by 1000 is 0.058 meters divided by 0.06 seconds. You divide it by 0.06, and it gives you an answer of 0.97. So the speed here is 0.97 meters per second. That's the answer. Okay, and you would notice that we are following to these significant figures, right? We have 2 decimal places. Now suggest why a smooth inclined plane was used, or smooth inclined slope was used, and this would allow to objects to move at constant speed and reduce also friction. So I think I would just write, because it uses the word smooth, so I will write here is to reduce friction. Okay, that would be an acceptable answer. We could write there to reduce friction and allow object to trolley to move at constant speed. Okay, to reduce friction and allow the trolley to move at constant speed. Okay, may either be moving at increasing speed, or but that would be acceptable already. So calculate the momentum of trolley A. So when you solve for momentum, momentum is a symbol of P times is equal to mass times velocity, and the mass is given in kilogram, which is 4 kilogram. It is trolley A. So you multiply here 4 kilogram by 0.97 meters per second. 0.97 meters per second. Okay, so 0.97 times 4, it gives you 3.88. Okay. So that's how you solve for momentum. So I hope you learned something for this topic, and this would be able to help you in preparations for your exam. Thanks for watching.